price level. We already discussed the movement along the demand curve. Now, the movement along the demand curve, what does it mean? Whatever the factors we discussed, like price, substitutes, complements, gross income, and the habits and the trends, we just have to consider the one factors like a price, that if any kind of a change happening because of the price, we will consider in movement along the demand curve. If you look at that particular example, at y-axis we have a price, and at x-axis we have some kind of a quantity demanded. Okay, now you can see, for example, the point A at the level of 10, let's say Shariz, we are demanding 10 units. Okay, what will happen if the price of the product will increase, like it goes to 15? Now you can see at level B that the demand of that particular product will be what? Will be decreased. Now you can see this is known as contraction. Okay, we are moving behind that point we were sticking at the price of 10 rupees. As price will increase, our graph will be more on a contraction level, mean it will restrict the movement or restrict the extension of the graph. If you see, whenever the price will be decreased, it's moved from 10 to 5. Now you can see the point from A to C, the graph is basically expanding more and more. The pupil will demand more. Okay, so all these changes happening because of the what? Because of the price.